The sauce is very simple. We're gonna start with the most important ingredient, and that is sweet soy sauce. Today I'm using shrimp. And no matter how well I think I dry my shrimp, I'm gonna just toss them into the bowl. Bit more oil. Now I'm going to add garlic, shallots, and some extra Thai chilies because I'm feeling spicy today. My vegetables. I'm gonna put my eggs in. And now the noodles go in. Woo. I'm adding my tomatoes and green onions. Now we're ready to eat. Look at that. Looks so good. One of those things you know it's gonna be good before you even eat it. And when you eat it, it's just like, yep, it's exactly as good as I thought it would be.